When you decide to administer your tests, surveys, or other high-stakes content in different languages, you should ask yourself the following questions. Will the translation affect fairness, reliability, and validity? Will the meaning remain the same? Will the data I collect be truly comparable? A literal translation does not work well. It introduces meaning shifts that make your content unreliable. cApStAn has designed a modular process to address these challenges and help achieve the localization quality you're looking for. The modules are like building blocks. You select the ones that are relevant to your project. Do you have a translation vendor you like? Continue working with them, but let us handle the pre- and post-translation quality control steps. Do you need a translation vendor with subject matter expertise who can take care of the process from end to end and deliver reliable localized content? We can help you with that too. Planning the translation will depend on whether you're starting from scratch or working with existing material. The modules in A and B offer upstream processes aimed at optimizing and preparing the source version so as to drive the quality of localization and obtain better results downstream. The modules in C cover the actual translation process. The modules in D make up our quality control services, including what we call verification. We conduct a rigorous quality check of the output of your translation vendor or of our in-house team and propose corrective action. No matter which modules you choose, you will always receive accurate documentation of our work for each language. Watch the explainer videos for each of our services to learn more about how we can help you localize your content effectively and efficiently.